So, good day everyone. I am Rosalie J. Bajos. So, I will be the one to continue the report. So, this is the tips in preparing a household standard checklist. So, you should keep it simple, one-page checklist. Next is follow a logical sequence. Use bullet enumerated points if relevant and necessary. You should consider the 5WH. Avoid making assumptions. From each item in your checklist, other items will naturally originate from it. So, next is for the safety. So, as defined may be the freedom from danger, injury, or damage, as well as the security are integral parts of the housekeeping system. So, for the safety precaution, there's a general safety precaution for individuals and facilities, although they may be differ depending on what industry or the industry. So there's a concerning people. So it is very important when working to wear an appropriate clothing to avoid the danger. Next, make sure that the safety hat is worn properly. In case when there's a falling objects, the worker's head is safe. So do not wear gloves when operating equipment except where any part thereof is hot. Next is never remove safety devices or safety cover from equipment. Next is be careful of high voltage. So you should never touch switches with hands to avoid electrocuted. Um, Next is when repairing power lines, you should turn off the main power supply first before repairing it. Next is should an accident occur, it should be reported immediately to the proper authority no matter how trivial. Next is the concerning facilities. So facilities must be adequately illuminated, clear, neat, and dry. So you should keep the area organized so there's no obstacle lying on the ground. The equipment on the floor area around the equipment must be free from dust and any chipping. So workbenches must be strong and sturdy and their surface treated with non-skid materials. So next is the safety policies and procedures. So the word security is the general usage is synonymous with safety, but as technical term security means that is something not only secure but that is has been secured. So first in the safety and security policies and procedures. So first is the physical properties. So you should maintain the physical security of your own business. So you should make sure who is in that building all the times to prevent guests from wandering into your business uninvited. So you should install an alarm if it's necessary and block valuable assets such as those laptops, mobile phones, and servers into a safe room. So attempt to keep the goods out into the public views. Next is the education. So according to the Chief Executive of National Crime Agency or NCA, make sure that everyone, as my understanding, so make sure that everyone understand what is expected of them. So you should make sure that they understand the importance of the information they handle and the procedures you've built to deal with those threats. Next is the access control. So make sure that everyone who need to access to a multi-user computer system has their own IDs and password. So to prevent the unwanted access to your computer system, so use the necessary access control software. Next is the clear desk. So make it a habit to clear desk at the end of each day. So this does not have to be a complicated procedure. Merely ensure that the employees have lockable drawer or cupboards in which to store their works and that the key are removed. Next is and lastly, the destruction. So modern shredders, are an economical and effective solution if you have a lot of paper copies. Some businesses use specialized destruction firms only if you have a lot of highly sensitive materials. If it's this necessary. So I think that would be my part in this report. I hope you understand and thank you.